In this video we will be replacing the batteries from Accu Chek GuideMe blood glucose meter. Start with the meter turned off. Push the tab and lift the battery door up. Remove the old batteries. The meter uses two 3.0 volt CR2032 lithium battery. Replacement batteries can be found in most stores where batteries are sold. A link for the battery is included in the description section below. With the positive side facing up toward you, slide the new batteries onto the black tabs. It might appear like the batteries are not locked in place, but it's okay. Once the battery door is put, the batteries will be secured in place. Always replace both batteries at the same time and with the same brand. Put the battery door back in place and snap it closed. Meter data is not lost when you replace the batteries. Thanks for watching.